was for Mamma, I call about being at the mobile experiences in life with Jumedia when ne so O'Shea. In fact, Dubai had discipline or her, cool me neat a higher fit. Bibia a super. Germany because says super. Coming in Dubai for na kasa na nka super kamesa chire chase e wo hono ni sansamentiti yento aswe ene benyame nua be ma kama bi wa ha no ho fe ye pa e ho fe se mi ankasa no ho e kone mema wo ho fe nko ahoma ye nkwa de ne nkonkudi nkomo mi sika ni baako papa bi odo e wo
mami
apom tse
yeah me dey
bibia bako o mo fe ene ma ne how.
Oh, me dey my worry into no.
What worry? Oh, I thank God. Show camera in na chair. Wifey, mami.
Odo ye wo essential.
Ah.
Wa dey nyina ba ko pe mami, me chia. Hope say oho ne nkwara no ho ye dey.
Odo ye wo essential. Send near fresh husband a kind of actually chia if you will be an in color. Who free him fa?
Me free Mpo Wasa East, a water crowded second crowded district.
Oh wow, it's we fancy.
Me a hunt and half enzima.
Wow, a hunter for Yvonne Men's.
But me shada and take us.
Won't take us an no be cheche you mutakra for near the idea no.
Girls
That's nice. But what's something nipa?
Many of one a shabra was
wow. O ma mewe, o ma no papa.
Me ma me papa nyina wo takrad.
O nyina wo takrad. O nyina infante fo. Mo ye nuanom dodo se.
Ye nuanom, me mother side ye 4, but me wo other step brothers and sisters.
O mother side mo ye 4, papa side nso mo ye sen.
Me di omo ayi ni mo de be 9 and 10.
It's not just say o ma me papa. Omo am uni mo nkra man, na say be 14 13.
Yeah, mfa ne sa.
Atija.
Mfa ne sa.
Odo e uko school ehim fa papa wa bo ho modern wate wo ne ma but be man daddy we beat mommy ase we dey timi dey ti asori enkwai uko school
me school ase wo Mpo Wasa East district Okrobo for Manson and I me call me basic education or into secondary na me ba secondary takrade at the secondary college until also na me be we secondary high school we try but yes, at that moment, you know, me catch exactly. Me catch my parents and said, "No, this is life. I want to start something on my own." So, at that immediately, now the will be another. They should give it to me so that I can start life.
Wow!
I'm being honest with you.
Wow!
Me papa dear no here because obia me try me West grade the cry see for. Now, make I said me started life because no ex-police officer. You know, no TSC crab, but as time goes on, no me mommy nene kasaya man eating as okay. This is what he wants for himself. So, your man no coin on starting.
Enti wo Ghana no ejuma ben na wo ya na say make say we school no. Then na we Ghana. Okay,
me school no me ne one credit union ejuma kakra. Okay. But na me ma so wo choba as okọ manso wasa na bo agata special there obi elim ti no. Me hwe senya na ne ho kire no ne me senior brother ne so ko school there na me di na echi. No wo agri college. Okay. Ti no me decide say o say me boa me ma me mo. Okay. Ti no me jaye na me ne me ma me ye ejuma.
Oh, ejuma ben.
Choba no. So ba me gina so me serve me wo je also me ye bia me ye
na wo nu nkwan
na me nu nkwan na me serve because
na ko yi chance no mu didi wi a wow.
I'm being honest with you, but now I was grown to at that time.
That's how where do you feel
18 19 20.
Really?
But now me fair cause me when say me mama.
That time so the ultimate say na ho be fe pa ye.
Young guy aida messi so. Mba yi srebe there but now my dream ko ho.
Na say won ferry bibia. Wow. And ye dey.
And you know me bra be wie school ni ade or starting na adwuma and I me wa me kasa say that me pese me ye pipi. But na me nije wo police any military mo pa. But na me papa so fa na adwen ma me. Okay. Ne dia ne say ko school and then na ma me do free mo. Okay. Said there be then I have to start something on my own. Okay. Me catch up ma me. Odo ye wo person me to kwan. No. My mom said okay. Wow. You know my kwan to ye di kind here me ma me na fa me hu bia. Okay.
Wa kwan to ye di kind na ye himfa.
My kwan to ye di kind me ba Dubai.
Opa Dubai. Okay. Dubai na o sign call.
Me buy na me sign call because na enye easy. On the system na ɛwɔ Ghana no any aha system is different. So adapting to the system na was very difficult and tough. Nti no mete me ho asesa kɔ Ghana bio ɛna me kɔ reframe me ho na me san ba. Nti me ba no na ade a ma besua wɔ ha nyina no me ba no na enye me foforo. So I was able to cope with the system.
Wow.
But I mean, him said, "American."
Yeah, Matthias, and ubedi say
6 months.
Ubedi 6 months. How many visa?
Me the tourist visa na buy.
3 months.
At that time, no, na 90 days. Yes.
Yeah, 3 months.
It's no me san no call 90 days.
Okay.
And no barbe san no. Na me coffee because now me construction.
Okay.
Me construction worker one of the Emirates. Your friend Queen.
Ewa ha.
And
to buy ye no. What the tourist visa ne buy ye no. Na obepay juma ye kakra nti so oba na se o the tourist visa ba utimi e the pay juma senso ya
pay juma na o sakra ko the employment visa are allowed
allowed
yes
wow
they are allowed
and Dubai bibia is so easy
se unim system no san ye te dia na what ase a easy but se unim a na be complicated
oh
so unim say ni na system net here ugitum say obedi so a so easy but one gian to my never so complicated.
Wow. Enti ukoye no ebreben ukodi how many years and how many months now sign decided say
me kodi I think I left here I think 9th September and I returned 26th October.
Oh, just a month.
Just a month.
3 weeks.
Yeah, 3 weeks. Okay. Yeah, because construction ejuma na me no. At that time na me worry me niba. So I was able to save enough.
Oh, okay.
And one friend be me who no try me say okay, obetimi aye visa, we obetimi aye. But na me pese me visa ne be expire na ma value in it and na me decide say o say me coffee. I mean sanfa visa for bra.
And na o san back no. A course saying.
And you know, me back and you be share Corona time. That was the time and now obie losing ejuma.
Okay.
Now the lockdown is so strict, but fortunately for me, and I'm in ejuma warehouse. That is Amazon Logistics.
Oh.
Yes.
Dubai. Wow.
That was 3rd March 2020, and I started as a warehouse associate.
Okay.
A Jumane die na enye easy, but I was so determined. Say, me nim dientia me too kwan. Na Jumane ye easy. Nayas me ye Juma sakra ma ye me surgery or hospital, cause the weather condition warehouse was a Jumadian ye yes, ye me appendix surgery, because na Jumane so ye din, but me catch them was I'm not quitting.
Obi a Jumane ye din. Surgery
me surgery.
Na still na gusuko
after 10 days per me san ko ejuma because you can't woni na dey ahwe ho yare ne ade.
But your health is more important than
you have bills to pay, you have rent to pay, you have yourself to feed. What I say, and you know, discharge me no, I just stayed home for 10 days. I'm being honest with you. And obi onim appendix no, say yet you know. Say, oh, you're stronger, you can recover so fast.
Okay.
And you know, and then a boa me.
Wow. And I be and drone so yet
na me dimin drone so. Into no so cry no be boa me wo baby.
Okay.
Because now your Oko warehouse your friend inbound.
Okay.
Inbound na me di I was learning so fast.
Okay.
Into no me buy na me ntimi nye adwumaden te say me peja box shipment ni ade no. He gave me a lot of opportunities.
Okay.
And in the day off, na me replacing the day off. So I no call vacation one baby and you fix me.
Oh.
Yes.
Wow.
And the affair no na me nye ejumade bio. I was just at the back of the system. You share me massa and I just me adom me dey do some pen so.
Wow. Yeah, the nyame ase ya pese woni e share Dubai time na wo Ghana no. Experiences are offer mu ameka say rent me enfida na oba Dubai isusu experience ameka say wa fam ya odie ni ya pese oni en share ni nyina wankasa because una oni experience wa fam show no susu your life experience.
Yes, meka say in Ghana the man should face any bitterness in my life because now I was a very humble child.
Okay.
You buy a hopper, I said me tie me mama more like me. So I was so okay. SS grab me the scholarship, half scholarship, they call it, you know. me who sad ya na say bia ya sake school e bia come the office be by. Yes, I was so okay. But baby who abrabo ankasa when I traveled.
Wow.
Because you can make some terrible mistakes and I has no. They have a system that regulates every activity. And it's a unima you can get trapped in the system. You have to work hard, you have to pay. And you can't abrabo mu ankasa there. Dubai hane mami be who abrabo ankasa senior. But because Ghana there, you have your parents there, come they were didi bills, your your mom is there to support.
Of course, we didn't call Germany na me say now to Ghana na hochiro kra you be money boy. How much more Germany na hochiro no be per se ese obi boa wa ese nipa ne dance and as say ujai ohuma nipa nansa. I mean it's very bad. So Papa Drew
na saade na yen mo mba nko na eto mo
eto mema
it's
kwa
ayen mo mema nko na eto mo
okay that chese kwa hochiro ni mu no ebi to
me
temptation be
I'm being honest with you because now me visa no ebedru baby the employment visa was about to expire.
Okay.
Me decided say me ko Kenya.
Okay.
Me ko Kenya no I was having only with me $300.
Okay.
And you know there was one Nigerian ni bi so no so what flight ni bia ye didi nkomo a eho na ye be ya dan for Nayas ye call hotel minim say be after 3 days no me visa be ba na masan return back to Dubai. Me say yimba me hotel sikasa me didi sikasa and now sometimes my dread kaka. So the guy told me say yo you are a very handsome guy, let's go to the beaches, we will see. I mean
ladies
and as they na for four na so nigga say bia yankopon na smart sa lady man be who me say oh you are a nice guy and me English no so you clear man so we can be friends. Me dem nim say ja me nyam ya no Nayas e ko ni fie wa 7 ye fine ni ade ya no bi afi edura na zo a
sister na ebe penny ma fai
just
what be penny Maria
okay was obi a mi ni mo anka o de ma e pen komo bi kura nkoso ni ade o ti ase na eja mi ni mu se wa ware and planning that was my biggest fear because me ni mo background say bia wa ware yare ben na e wo ho na prekopesa ade I was a bit no ma me be exactly say oba bi kwa ho kirem na bibi sa to na
it's normal and it's me too beyond. Okay sweetheart me pacho wadama udin kura
Mr. Ezra Richmond Ezra Aka.
Mr. Ezra.
Yeah.
Okay, what's the meaning?
Ezra ye ohine wo Bible.
It's sa Ezra no why na the mount and I want to
me na me de to me ho.
What obedru Dubai no.
Exactly.
Eniema started say e ba wo ho no.
Exactly.
Started say e fa ma wo no.
Exactly.
And wan kasa ko page bia e wo Bible mu. E de to ho so send ye be ya ebe dey.
Send ye be ya ebe bua ma brabo no because Ezra ye ohine and me pe ne qualities no.
Open bibia e wo no.
Bibia e wo no bia ne ma me de to.
Wow. Mr. Ezra, obedru Dubai no experiences no. Na it is saying we start here juma no because say kanena obedru ye no years back any usha saying na it.
Oh, okay. And then no, make I say, kaneno na obia ni me. So I was so okay.
Okay.
Na me living my life. Say me pay bia. But what I say, but then no, nipa bebre ni me. So I said people are looking into your errors to drag you, especially on social media. But what I say, invitiation na me ba ni. And yema mu your den ni ade but I was so okay. But what I say because at time no me salary yeah. My Jimmy mini room my team and nyame adom so me be share oba me na ware ni ade entin.
Oh, enti oyire na woni na ware no ba no. Mekuma aha na wo share.
Aha na me share.
Really? Wonim say ye chia no nyina ma adwen nyina me say Ghana. Eti woni na won kola wa ha.
Ya won kola wa ha. Ya won tafo me nwa mi.
Wow. Mr. Ezra pa. No kwasem. Nyame ni wadi niye ento aso.
Aha na me be share nti no so ye adwuma ye security officer.
Okay.
Ana na me so me ye adwuma wo Amazon. Nti na ye nya type me wo night or no wo day.
Just we be bana we ko we su be bana we ko na dia dia.
And na sa na you taking some leave.
Okay.
And yet as I said, we need to establish something.
Yeah.
So we will have time for ourselves. We can grow and also have some kids.
Yeah.
And your life will be a year living. You share that plan. In 1 month time, 2 months time, I'll see a yes idea with. Your focus in our idea. So even if we fight, we put it aside and focus on that.
Wow.
I'm being honest with you. You bet me kiki. But I was say you mreni yakoye adie bia ye muna we ye mune yakwa yes adie. Aha na me be share no. You started ye juma ye din can started with agency. Because yes, you be who say Ghana for be brain system na say. So me taking me time ne Pakistan for ni India for ni suya adie pa. So I thought that it was so easy to do that, but not knowing that there's a lot of investment, technicality, and time consuming job. So, you share the news at Debbie, Yamfa BB Song Kahon, and I be a facility management.
Wow.
Yes. You be a facility.
Nina more license.
Nina, and I make us say, there's a system, a regulated BBA, internal, so 1 year license, you cannot operate.
Oh.
It's Nina, no, your licenses are. Me yere din was so me so me din was so.
It's only oyiri nyina na my joint account bia.
Only me password bia of my phone. There is no.
Oyiri ye den ni.
Me yere ye crashing.
Oh. Okay. Wow.
Me yere ye crashing.
But oba ha jao.
Me beja.
Oh beja. Oh ba Dubai ha na nche bia. Na oba. Inti o company na we him side.
Okay, my company no wo UAE at Dubai Emirates.
Okay.
Yeah, me wo accommodation wo your free baby Sonapo.
Okay.
Na my company no wo. And na me wo office so wo Akiada Metro Station.
Okay.
Yes, and and 1 year ye didi ye juma kakranka, but we had a lot of terrible experience from our own Ghanaians.
Okay.
So ya shifting your market in the free Ghanaian market in the kakra.
Okay, and no eba ne say your time no nti eba ne say.
When it comes to the visa staffs, there's a lot of technicality. Ebia inform so bi beba na en free wo. But Ghana ni na one na ya de no. Ono on TSS. So far as he or she has paid you to deliver these services, regardless the challenges, the inconvenience or no on TSS. Udi agro begu we ni wan sisi ya. So we came to realize, we have our dignities. I mean, so yentimi ma obi mfane niyama kitting but
yeah, of course.
And we started shifting we are really excelling. I mean, to another business and also me there, and I'm also growing over there. That is real estate.
And also you're doing business.
Real estate.
Hey, Ghana, Dubai.
As a freelancer.
Mr. Ezra. Wow. And see, what started here or business? Yeah, what I said, Ghana for no challenges near the end. Yeah, per se only and share only Ghana for no intem with starting business experiences kakrabe 2-3 minutes. Nothing. And now yeah, per se after this, only and share what brabo any pebia or deep life experiences. Which you can't tell me say when you near maybe for
Debbie, mommy.
And no na ye idea.
I have so help me what tattoo be what me has say.
Okay.
Well, that is a girl. Okay. May catch me who say whenever the storms rages, I was say we use the storm to fly high.
Okay.
Boundaries be a man setting ye ne a bimu amini omu diagro because make us say me work na me shut down pen and for set. And a harness on na me pen down for set. But a juma we ni be ma me be exposure to people. Inti na me ni send ni party me hu ni party obi a drink to say me.
Okay.
But what I say?
Who is obi a good to say?
Obi a good to say.
Obi a kita kuma papa to say wa.
Obi a asem to say me. Inti no say bi krampo Nayas me no obi bi ya me mba mboten me kan.
Okay.
But what I say? But Ghana ni who say oh koso no. Ebia mo secret bi a oni na wo share no. The person have to come out to drag you with it. But what I say?
Yeah, sure.
And no na ma me hu abrabo mo challenges pa. And e bi so to say me say juma ye. obetimi aye visa ma group of people nimpa ba ko fairly medical say e be block licenses ni nyina yes and you cannot continue with the process unless say nimpa na free kro ne mu akọ
na che sa aka ni nyina be ye
oka enti no just imagine say waje uni sika say uye adwuma na odi ahye adwuma ni na adwuma na season
block ananyi
yi na ebi kura o try o best nipa ne beba be drag wo social media waje mi sika na wanye medwuma ma me waje mi sika dey any some cases and you know one say you are okay but within you are not okay because unim say adie we antisa say na tie but because of say nipa nte de wo ye na say no sometimes ubetimi asese ska bi 40,000 AED or the better licenses na ba na quotas ni na but what is because a chrono one brave say answer na obenya visa wo krom an e wo say uye adwuma uye adwuma ma company bi
okay
ebi obi a cancel na visa oni krata ono so onya company bi obeye adwuma me nua wo license bi je kakra na faye krata ma me na such incidents isipe na on tia say there was a mutual agreement say boa na me so me boa na nimpa ne baba be drag as a scam and as a bibisa so it's womba and I say Nayas the ma me real hope I was adwuma say obi a ma consider ne pai free ma komem ye ne krata ma no anokra say bi me sambo akire ka ma njiska bia wa no na me ne me wife epia kwa abonti akọji eni me posti no ofre bi bisa me o Jimmy sika ye me krata wie no di woni wo yire kọji wani
na no de na sembe
ya gafa ho bai
so far as amaye adwuma na ma wa adwuma na ye die I mean say me ye den me see me to party 5 times a day kura na it's enya way
that was the day I me real hope our brabom tino everyone obi kura ya ade kura en say dan ha me bi because me hu ne say nimpa mpa wu wani je but what they make what they say people don't want to see you rising say my ya ade ama problem bi amba ho na se bio me na me hu kan ni my wedded wife na yakoji eni na otimi frame ka say o Jimmy sick aye be krata no wani na o de koje
o kan wo yire nim
o frame on phone
na o yire e da speaker o yire ti
exactly
o yire ti tree
me yire ti tree pa enti me yire kwa na me yire fi say bia me ni wo bibi ye
business bi
no
your ba
or your ba enye be ma o ba asem na be ke so I want to the phone mommy was odo betimi age na ne chat ni I said don't worry I understand so me kasa kire wo Ghana for one won't say create boundaries
the adwuma ne de we ye free Ghana for no
adwuma Ezra so call me page cra I'm not promoting me pese ebe call into the Ghanaian market there be because so
any interview here we use so the any Ghana for me
oh, since me were a lot of boundaries. There were some questions we were made bizarre. Me who your intentions of coming to me. But what I said, into me who agree kita na. Bon say reduce conversation.
Okay.
One kasa wa back it off.
Okay.
But what I said, me kasa me nye ma wo. But how am I responding to one at the end? Unlike before, now be so open. Every crowd member will feel like. Just for you to feel say me wo mini bi a boa me ma but now no sa na money na
we twitwa so
but what I say
wow and for now no o businesses no say bi obi pese ohwehwe wa na say bi pese bi a I mean ono be ye dwuma kwan be na nipa no ebe fa so
yeah Nayas yeah answer me about my emphasize dey we ntwem me be me facility management no and me classmate or Ghana or kita degree in accounting.
Okay.
Or chartered semester or person Dubai. And I'm Kweku where the Nyamiando say na maye there were almost 23 staffs. Into 2 year degree holder in accounting there. The management me na is mean to me Nayas. Making 120 Ghana cedis. That is 12,000 Ghana cedis. 120 million.
Pay.
Okay. Emma mini buy. De ne komi fie tena ho 2 weeks. Me na na ye duane ma no esi ni niema. Enti no na me pesa me ma na a warm welcome. No who say my ba mini ya ho. E na afi me de ne call accommodation. The next day no wa call report me ama the consulate say must come no. Me wo ho na consulate frɛ me ana me kɔ say yes obi de wa ba ha so was coming. Koko bone ben aka three bisa me ye. Ma ba wa ba me fie me ma me ni me yiri ni me mai wo ho me nani. Nti no if there is a problem obetimi a confront me say me ni ade a oye man ti asem say okay kan wa kuma to ye. Me ye wo krata na ma wa wie. O wie na say onye madwuma ni bie wa. Me ma o krata bi ma o de aka ho na watimi akopɛ adwuma foforo ye. Nayas ada me wie me de ne ID card ma no de ne passport share say any company iPhone adechi ya no call Ghana.
Oko Ghana.
Oko maintaining kan bio.
Jesus.
Me de ne ID ma no ene ne passport ene iPhone na e de be ye adwuma no because phone na kita no na enye papa. Adechi no maintaining kan bio till now. Ye de ye video.
Enti na chese ususu se owo ni motive ana meka se wo na adwene a ana na jealousy bi na se wo jealous ana na ususu se die enti a
me dwene ho a me ntia se because se anka bia o ma me hu de ye wo hokra na anka bia man kasa ho ana se sa anka na me ka se o bia me nue kasa se ne niema we kwai me ni anje ho but wa ja se but I say o ye we dia boa ne no na wanya like I say wa senya bibi foforo dia begina so to a problem for instance wa ba me fie wa frɛ me consulate ma ba chechiro mu de ehia wo krom ha okrata ma ya ma na ade be chen up to now maintain won kan do there
eti na adwin be na wo ni tirim nti a o de kɔ frɛ o consular say o se wo se wa ma no ana say
mascamen that is 12,000 Ghana cedis ana meje o
na ade wo ba ye no na edi sen a
2 weeks
na say 2 weeks u bedru krom u tu kwana ukodu krobi ya so a 2 weeks ye mfa nyankrata ye mfa nyabibia
eno kwa me de ye mani wie utimi fie onto aduane onto nso onto ya dan ka me ka kire me yire say mama kwaku
boko de
Alex
Mensa bra kwaku
me ka kire me yire say me pacho we free me krom me kura se ye nyina na ye call JHS SS ayedi wie nti ni treat ni say o treat me ankasa nti oye aduane kro no na me ka yin say kotin wo de
eti won say papaya san
but de obehia ni papa da akro de
uji ni pedi
sisi ya de niema ante say kan no
wo namfo
me ni namfo bia ni adamfo bia wo mabrabo
wo ni adamfo bia apart from oyire ne wo ma ene wo ma me wabusua
me ni adamfo bia
eden ne si kwan say twon ho free sa na ye ma ni nyina
ye esimi kwan ne say nimpa ye ho ye mpa ye ho nkoso ano ne ade a esimi kwan say eni kwan say me wa adamfo bia say me ni obi relate it only on business purpose.
Okay,
exactly. I keep my home out of my business, I keep myself out of my business and to say can any bio sisi akra eye din say metimi ni obi kra to inside it.
Wow. It's Dubai how no what there
many there
emphasize now
or international city
and the minti din da
international city ma catch me ho say
facility
blog na me wom no me hu ni patuntum ni kra ho na me contract enso en kra me just kada ba you re to afro
it's with the African union
me di African union
ko Afro shop
me ko Afro shop
e Dubai ha
wo say wo Indians ni bi o mo ton sa na ma
na say wo nko African phone mu kra nko African food
me wa e bia me order
your friend is Mr. Mr. Ezra what's the media I know there is a Ghana for one person we nim kra oba bia wo
me hu nimpa ye
wo hu nipa Ghana for na Ghanaians ne
exactly
Dubai ha so sane ma no wa ha
e wa ha pa o say me too for say o ye Ghana ni na person mbra Dubai no person wa brabo enko ye ma wa stay away from Ghanaians. Don't tell your
Mr. Ezra na e kan wanya NGO TV for na ye kan.
Yes.
Wase say wo Dubai ha na say why wa adwene say wo betu kwan free Ghana aba Dubai na kwa abrochire ba bia. Wase o person wa brabo koso na ye successful la. Stay away
from Ghanaians. Meaning say enkofo bebre beba be di matem. But per my experience,
wow.
I'm not enye me fo.
Ensa nyina so enye pe. Eti ebia obi di aye we no nkyere se obi di be yo.
Sa na yeti wo krom ha. Say ye mo ye ubehu Ghana ni we na omo kon ebi kra se omo nim say ya ye business enye be bia nkoye we should keep some privacy. No, I was saying about thing.
Hey,
I'm being honest with you. Enti me hu enya me nko a me hu na we ni we ubehwe ye media so we ni we di omo hu atem we ni we just because of ebia bibia anye adwuma na yes ebia me ni we di agro bi ankoye ya any kwan say ba abonten ebia ya ye exactly
when you ate okwa fa sunglass nche hwese mi ache se sunglass ikresi weni se mi akasa se mi ato na me hu ana hu so weni ate wow. It is what they can't afford. They won't pay any car or baby. I nam wo Dubai.
Exactly. Intino me wo adie bia ma me ye okay. E wo UAE ha.
E ma we ni je.
Exactly.
Apart from say unkwa ye uni Ghana for no nhia nko parties, a year programs and as be African shops near the idea. At least na unhuom na we ni nje no. Cause for instance me ba Dubai me hu me krom for na me ni age. Ba wo de on pese obehu ye mu bia no. E den ena emma wanije apart from say ubehu area na asa we no yiri betene fie ne oma
ena member mi ankasa metimi ma me hu enije metimi ko jeski
okay
me ko epono so na
ma bisa asa ne ma be na wo ye ma ankasa wo hu enije
metimi ko jeski
okay
me wo executive places I call I meet people
okay.
You know I've tried to say okay once there was some occasions be wa that is where you meet there was some malls
okay
ebia me nkotohwe but I will dress neatly
okay.
Na makotna obi baba be approach you because of ejuma me yes that okay. Is how I got it
okay
but what I say
yeah.
oh experiencing this you have your tablet you are not living a fake life but it's packaging
yeah
but what I say
sure.
And when I'm reading I'm learning I feel so happy dance many obi be call out and as many obi be call abonten na at the end of the day, no.
Wow.
At that point, you know, I prefer this kind of living. That,
okay.
Yeah.
Wow.
The near my mom in Japan, especially Jeski.
Okay.
And yeah, me economy tia 200 gram or be tia, I'll be fee. You
are so relieved. What I call Ghana?
Me taiko Ghana.
Okay.
But mostly no so me taiko Kenya.
What's a home sway?
For vacation.
When they were you in a woman.
Wow. Exactly.
Wow. It's Dubai. How many years in Dubai?
7 years in
7 years in
7 years.
Ah, woman. What Ghana how many times?
Ghana, I fancy 3. Me third I make next month.
Next month. And how mommy swaba how many times?
Me mommy abedi ha almost a year.
Almost a year?
Yeah, cause me yere akaka ma me yere abewo no. And I me buy. Tin o wa ha na edu baby say so mo ko because yeah ejuma so ne ade wo fie. Ti o say oba ni ko fie because the me di na chi no wo UK. The odi me chi no wo university. Nti no say e wo say me hu nipa ko fie na de ye bia no. Etimi hwe ma me koso.
Wow, nyame nshaw. Na wo maame aba otimi bedi more than a year. O papa nso so wadaroma ono nso obetena Dubai for 7 years. No so aba how many times?
Papa de enche obeba but won say papa fo no enti say maame fo no.
Okay.
Cause send me papa cry dia agro etimi ka me suma asem kire me papa no. Enti say me maame.
Okay.
And wa unim sane a ye akanfo maame tie. What do papa be bad man for maame amba. Oh yeah,
you see. Okay.
And he understand.
Okay.
Only one to masie. Which one me too nka kra me okay.
Okay. Okay, I just said that it was only that any problem bia.
There's only send your maame tie o de man ninje.
Okay.
But what I say, it was me so no. Me maame obeya ade obi abefie obechechire mu achi. So you try to one person okay. All the time ninje now for you to have your sound mind. What I say.
Wow. Uno nuanom no montem te say.
Oh, yentem ye woko pa.
Papa side ne maame side ni.
Papa side no na ebi mo no nti no ama me cry aya desua maame say me ma me pay na free. Me yere nko aho. What I say because abrabom no they feel say ebia papa no ye nyema bi mamo a omu nyane ade because me maame na eti aware ase.
Oh, okay.
I say nti no Ebi mu ye okay there, but me ma member ne there we are so cool.
Fine. Not just all papa di kan wo ye.
But
Ansa no ba bi share mama ba say di one mama nkasa
any mama
na
kasa
etie. Oh wow, then you are blessed. Cause ye kasa nyina madwen me say bia papa awo baby na mama nso awo baby na chese mama nkwa na te. Oh wow. Then you are blessed. Nyankopon won shira opa say ye to nsa efre wa oba yi. Nti no apart from say businesses are why ye eden bi na say bia opese obo hu deru na ebia so bi pese obemua.
Okay.
So show camera ni
make I say owo Ghana na opese obeto dan wa ha e de ma renting. Ebia opese obeto cars e wo Dubai ha de ko Ghana na say one o family ebe establish mo ho e wo UAE ha mbacho oba mi DM e wo TikTok Mr. Ezra _1 na ope inchiremo bia me de be ma ye mu bebre ye nya education na ye nya ne ende na nka Dubai is a heaven. Dubai, Mami Dubai, any UK, Nayas, I'm telling you.
And can be baby sao say, can be baby sao because obi amene be interview her be osi me choose Dubai over country bia. Can baby sao say as a nice man like you na Canada, Germany, make us all the European countries ni na America, UK, baby na when choose baby because na uti ukasa ko baby easy for you to go. Enti no ade no wan choose baby I say Dubai ya na wasan be bie nnwuma e wo heart I say
one almost taxes
e wo form
okay. Yes, security
okay
and they have a lot of friendly immigration rules say unima eboa na yes and they obetimi about Dubai na say osika seme averagely no within 1 month ubetimi your residence
really
but you can the
entisa
but what yes
Germany say me kotena ho be 1.5 year maso ye share me san betena Ghana
but what yes
yeah
but Dubai ha no unimo bi na uye wasomre say obesua de na unye yes ya
any nam for sem
any na you succeed so easy
wow
until compared to yesua de ye ni obe mudi me wo or one lady or shed them UK for 5 years almost oni obi nko wo ansan we nyankrata
wow
until
Germany society
e was say onjai ni kunu ana ne mplan oni na efiase wo Ghana na because oni obi ko wo ansan we nyankrata but Dubai ha oni obi an wo be nyankrata
abibia easy
easy
control something ade no so wo form
wo form say unima ye say obewo a nya marriage certificate wo marriage certificate wa ko wo obi ani woni ase oni kunu akwaje NOC from court we di so wakoje NOC from court ye say wo yare ye insurance ye insurance obeko hospital free nti no say unim sa niema we nyina na odi so a e ma asetena ye easy ma
who ni say Dubai heaven
me can say but far better far gone heaven on earth
Dubai heaven and earth
on earth heaven e was as so na ya so betimi anante oba te say wo 1 am obia nka there are some places international me mitimi order there me connect da me pono ani
wow
no wakofa wa there
wow
enye there are the side
hey there house and there are there say Ghana for there but yes be so good they be so nice it depends and as how can it depends on one kasa yeah it's in some ya Kenya na wadaro ma show camera nim na wo afutu bi a na afi wo wi a business ni dey hia me na san bo hu de ruby
enti no the mechanic say owo Ghana na opese omba Dubai have a purpose say onim die enti a otu kwan a oba irrespective of the challenges you know say this is what you came in for have a purpose have a skills and have someone at least you can talk to na abua Dubai kura you can upgrade yourself at any time you can invest here you can build yourself here and you can have a brighter future so ontna kura no beti odi etu kwan akobe bia the experience no be gani wa ha no eba bua bebre mpacho me wo facility management company so oye plumber oye electrician oye tiler insani juma bia ukita na opese oba onimi beye ejuma no have a good intentions and reach out to me who Ghana opese o me rent dan opese o be to fie opese o me toka me pacho reach out to Mr. Ezra. Na yendins are was so na yefe.
Nyame onshraw senia mpacho so mame me ba senia Mr. Ezra kan no wose wo Ghana na ensane dwuma bia se wo ye mason se wo ye carpenter se wo ye plumber ana se ensane dwuma bia wankasa hu se dwuma we de mesua na makọ school na mesua ne ye ma hyede nya ho nimdie ose obeboa wo na emomo no make sure se wo di good intentional na wo dey ba emfa beye emfi Ghana ahoya anantitwitwa jealousy emfa mana brabum no no ankasa no de sebe owa aka ne da no oso osuro aboa wotene already osuro ye ndida tie ni story a woka I say deep crowd ho na can one person obeka enti no fa good adwene pa na fa bra se ne be ye no so benya akoma pa na odi aboa e pa cho metwitwetwa ne nanti eti Mr. Ezra mpacho wo number bi a ubetimi e de atodwa se ne be ya because nsema ye kenyi obi wo ho no mo a o nya time nko DM mu
okay eti no me number de we for WhatsApp
okay
one me be kasa na me hu se o ye okay o se fata se me boa wa na me de me call number na ma
okay
this is my principle
okay
enti mpacho obetimi a chat mo WhatsApp +971
okay
50-181-3317
okay
me pacho message so bio +971-50-181-3317 o chat me a ye bedin komo o how be o be I just go straight to the point and tell me na yendin komo ma ne yefe
okay Mr. Ezra nyankopon shampacho social media handles
Mr. Ezra_1 our TikTok Mr. Ezra our Snapchat and also Mr. Ezra our Instagram.
Okay. Who Snapchat? Send your me betete o.
There be won say for video me kwa me share the name papa ba. Won say me post me near ma so near there ho and I see say people on Instagram and Snapchat are more elite.
Okay. Okay, yeah.
Are more elite because on go Snapchat in ko say obi ni obi didi omo ho ate. No.
Okay.
Okay. Snapchat and Instagram and Facebook also.
Yeah, okay.
So
wow.
I am mostly
active. Me pa chosi aba Dubai na ye ni wa be share wabrabum life experiences. Show camera nim na chia enipa be miensa a wo mo fie e mayen ai wadaro.
Ye di kan me chia oba me ho kani make us no na me ne e share abrabo mu energy and bitterness. Although you will essential, I mean sure. I mean the positive impact that you have on my life. And then me mbanta for me no kama odi omo amame. Me maame Agata Oben ya me nhyira pa amame one na wote oba mu ame oba ye mu kom major ene me nuanom nyina everybody that you are playing a positive role in my life I do appreciate and I say may the good Lord bless you.
Nyankopon onhyira pass ye to nsafrewa obaye wote se Nayas aba Dubai a wo se me nua ba Nayas de se ye nyina wo Ghana de ye hwe no de ofrudu apa na piano nti wa be de se me so me ne be che ma brabom experiences kakra e wo Dubai ha ye da se bibri Mr. Ezra bra nyame onhyira pass ebusua aha na bre ne be makwan ne de dwumadi no ye di esi na se fese enko enfama aboafo a won aso masen na da ne da won ebometri dom Nyankopon onhyira na kaise Jeffers mixture Papago furniture edofo and the boy fashion jewelry Angel beverages Cute Cat Palo Makramo dasane yebesan ehyebi midia eye original international bakope